Let's welcome back to No Code Cult. In this video, we'll be building a habit tracker in Notion. This simple one-page template is easy to use and suitable for mobile or desktop. Even if you don't know how to use Notion, you'll be able to use it for habit tracking by the end of this video. Now let's build our habit tracker. First, open up Notion and start by creating a new page. This is where we'll be building our habit tracker. Now give your page a name. Let's call it Habit Tracker. This title will help you easily identify the page for tracking your habits. Next up, it's time to personalize your tracker. Choose an icon that resonates with the theme of habit tracking or one that you personally like. This icon will appear next to the page title, giving it a unique touch. Once you've named your page and selected an icon, let's make sure the page is set up for optimal viewing. Go ahead and turn this page into a full width view. To set up the table database in Notion, simply type / on your new page. From the options that appear, choose Table View, then select New Database. This will create the primary database for your habit tracker, where you can easily organize and track your daily habits. Next, let's customize our database. Start by removing the default tag property. Then add a new dates property. This will help us track when each habit is performed. After that, for each habit you want to track, add a checkbox property. Label each checkbox with the name of the habit and pick an icon that represents it. Finally, adjust the size of the column. Next, we added a progress bar to measure the completion of our daily habits. We do this by adding a formula property, which I will name progress, and pick an icon that better represents this progress bar. Next, we'll click on the edit formula and add a pretty straightforward formula. We need to add a 2 number before each checkbox property and then add them out using the plus the symbol. Now, going back to the edit property page, you're tracked to show this property as a bar divided by the number of habits we have, which in this case is 3rd. I will toggle off the show number option and change the color of the progress bar to light gray with that dot. To automate your daily entries, let's create a page template. Name it Daily Habits and choose a custom icon for it. Then set this template as the default for any new entries you add. Remember, you'll still need to manually fill in the date for each new entry. This template will streamline your habit tracking, making daily logging quicker and more consistent. To create a calendar view, first, copy and link your existing database to form a linked database view. Then change the layout to calendars. Make sure this calendar view displays your habit checkboxes and the progress bar. This view will provide a comprehensive and visual overview of your habits over time. Let's enhance our table view for better habit tracking. Start by renaming the table view to today and pick a new icon for it. Add a filter to display only the entries for today's date. Next, create duplicate views for this week, this month, and this year. For each view, adjust the filters and sorting options to match the respective time periods. Finally, use the grouping feature to organize your entries by month. These views will help you track your habits with precision, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And that's it for this video. I found this to be the most straightforward way to track my daily habits in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy habit tracking.